So this is the first job that we have, which is in Synclature. Okay, so they are hiring for Andheri East, Mumbai. So they want GRC analyst for those who should have minimum 1 to 2 years experience. This is the budget that they have. Cybersecurity analyst with 1 to 2 years of experience. Senior cybersecurity analyst with 4 to 7 years of associate analyst, 1 to 2 years of experience. Senior software developer, 5 to 7 years of experience. Associate director, 12 to 15, and business development executive for 1 to 2 years of experience. So this is exactly what they want, and this is the mail ID, right? reginald.pinto@synclature.com. So this is from where they can uh, from where you can apply if you want to apply for this job role. Okay, so that just let me know in comment box how's this job. Okay, and if someone have 1 to 2 years experience, then it means it's fresher. Actually, fresher doesn't mean you don't have any knowledge. It means like you have less basic knowledge. Okay, so 6 months to 1 years of is pretty good. Okay, you can apply, right? And if you don't have even 1 years of experience, then I usually recommend to do some sort of internship so that you'll get some sort of experience and accordingly you can apply, right? So that's what we have. Why you're not going? Okay, so yeah, now let's move to the next one. So this is basically full-time SOC L1 L2 based in Mumbai. Qualification is CTI and all those things is required. Splunk Manisha.misra@global.entity is the mail ID from which you can apply, right? CH is first. Now next one is SOC analyst again, L1, L2 and L3. Okay, for L1 2 years of experience is required, L2 4 years of experience, and L3 5 years of experience is required. This is a mail ID. Trojan Hunt India is where they want, and Wazoo is something where the experience is required, right? Next one is someone looking for cybersecurity professional. Mumbai or Pune will be the job location. 2.5 years experience is required, and this is the security applications skill required, which is web app, API, mobile security, network infra, and all those things is important. Manual automated pen testing, Nessus Pro Nipper, and this is the mail ID nidhi.baksi@esec40.com, right? Enzen Technology Private Limited is hiring for VAPT skills professional. So this is about the company, and they want web app, mobile, API, network vulnerability assessment pen testers, and something more. Along with that, they want minimum 2 to 4 years of experience and relevant certificate, right, which is important. Minimum 30 days of uh, notice period. Job location in Navi Mumbai, and this is work from office, right? Mail ID is recruitment@anzentech.com, right? Anzentech. Okay, VAPT is something that you need to write in subject line. Next one, yeah, someone is looking for cybersecurity consultant. This is for experience. 2 to 4 years of experience is required, and it's Gurgaon based job. So these are a couple of requirements. Just check out priyanka.tiwari@esec40.com is the mail ID. Okay, so you can apply, and basically companies hiring for Gurgaon and Mumbai locations. So just check accordingly. Someone is looking for red teamer in Delhi. 2 to 4 years of experience is required. Okay, and they want SOC monitoring only profile. SOC monitoring only. Okay, so if someone is good into just monitoring SOC, that will not be considered much, right? Candidate must have core red teaming knowledge. They will be priority. They should have. Okay, that is something they want in red teaming, right? They want someone who should have good knowledge about antivirus, EDRs detection, and evasion techniques, T2 setup, Cobalt and other. LMHE lateral movement, BOF. Oh my god, that is what I was learning when I was doing red teaming. AD things, which is Active Directory, which is very much important. And this is the mail ID on which you can apply, right? careers@hackit.com. Next one is someone looking for cybersecurity professional, 2 to 5 years of experience. That is same, right? Next one. Trojan Hunt India is again L1, L2, L3. Immediate joining Delhi based location. This is mail ID v.tamanna@trojanhuntindia.com. So apply. Again, Sky Secure. The other requirement. Mail ID is carriers@skysecure.ai. Right. Next is ProTech Manis is a company who want software development trainee. Right. Scan this QR to get a job, and this is the company website. That's all for Twitter, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.